Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. The number 66 Singer sewing machine. It's a great machine, does everything I want it to do. Sews leather, blue jean material, just pretty much anything. It's about bulletproof. There's no gears in it to strip. It's all linkages and solid as a rock. The only problem I have is getting bobbins for it. I did manage to buy some bobbins. These are the more modern ones. Instead of having straight edges, they've got curved edges. But that seems to work okay. The thread doesn't catch on it. It's fine. One problem I'm having is the holes in the sides. It's got 4 holes in each side. 1 small one and 3 large ones. Don't know what the 3 large ones are for. I use them to pass the thread through to tie it off. This little hole is supposed to go over a pin. There's a little pin there on the armature that the bobbin slips over. But it obviously doesn't. I tried honing it out a little bit with a jackknife, and I tried all kinds of things. So I ended up saying, this is not going to work, and gave up. Drilled out the hole with an 1/8" drill bit. There, now it fits. Just like that.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.